Hey y'all, Night Reaper here, and welcome back to the channel. Due to the request of someone who saw one of my other videos, today we're going to show you how to put a custom boot image on your HA1G or HA1UV by Retevis. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is get the CPS software. You can see how to do that in my last video on how to update these radios. All right, so in the top left corner, you can hit File or you can hit Connect Device. We're going to hit that, and then we're going to show you real quick how to find your COM port. You're going to open up your Device Manager. When you open up your Device Manager, look for COM port, and you're going to look for the one that says 340 on it. All right, once you found that, you can go back to the CPS software and click on that COM port and select the correct model of your radio. You can see this in more detail in the other video, like I said, and then hit connect. Don't forget to like, share, and comment if you like this kind of content so I can keep making more of it. That's how this video was created. Then we're going to go to our web browser and we're going to look for image resizer. Find you a free image resizer online. I will share the link to this one in the description. And then when you open that up, sorry, I already had it opened. It's going to look like this screen. You're going to click on select an image and find the image that you want to use for your radio. And what we're doing here is we're resizing the image to fit the screen and the dimensions of the radio. All right, so you'll see it downloading like that. Now, this is where it gets important. When you get to this screen, you want to type in 160 by 128, and this is your pixels. This is why some of you may be having trouble getting a photo on your radio. If it doesn't meet the dimensions, the radio is not going to accept it. All right, then we're going to go back to our CPS software and we're going to click on the choice that says power on image. And it says there again, I was just showing you that it says 160 by 128. We type that in there and we hit export. And now here it has changed our image over and we're going to hit download. I know this is going kind of fast. You can slow it down if you need to. In the top right corner, you can see it just downloaded. So now we're going to go back over to the CPS software and we're going to hit upload or open image. It's going to be in your download folder because you just downloaded it. Once you see your image up there, you're going to hit right, and then over in the right corner, here goes the magic. It says our write is complete, and boom, there's our image. Like I said, if you need to slow this down, slow it down. If you got any questions, still feel free to reach out to me and hope this helps. Until next time, this is the Night Reaper. We'll have more videos coming from Retevis 7 3s, and be good, and we're gone.